twinkle in her eyes, shining like a diamond under neon skies. Dancing through the laughter, glitter in her hair, swaying like a feather, spinning without care. Cutie, she's a star, lighting up the night. Every move she's making feels so right. Cody, she's a star, lighting up the night. Every move she's making feels so right. Cutie, she's a star, lighting up the night. Every move she's making feels so right. Woke up to the sound of your sweet laugh, sunrise in your eyes, hearts on the path. Dancing in the light like the morning breeze. Feel the rhythm right, set your mind at ease. Oh, 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 it's a brand new day. Every little thing's okay. We'll find a way in every single ray, walking hand in hand on the peaceful sand. Dreams that we have planned in this wonderland. Feel the ocean's kiss, magic in the mist, moments full of bliss we'll never miss. Oh, 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 it's a brand new day. Every little thing's okay. We'll find a way in every single ray. Walking hand in hand on the peaceful sand. Dreams that we have planned in this wonderland. Feel the ocean's kiss, magic in the mist, moments full of bliss we'll never miss. Oh, 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 it's a brand new day. Every little thing's okay. We'll find a way in every single ray. Oh, oh. In the depths of the night where shadows dance, underneath the moon's haunting trance, a gateway emerges mysterious and dark, leading to realms unknown, leaving its mark. Echoes of ancient whispers fill the air as we approach with a sense of despair. Through the veil of darkness we shall tread, unveiling secrets of the unknown ahead. The darkness under its spell. Tread, unveiling secrets of the unknown ahead. The melody of the night sings its song, guiding us through where we belong. In the realm of shadows, we find our way. In the depths of darkness, where we will stay. Shadow gateway, open your doors wide, reveal the secrets that you hide. We are the seekers of the night, embracing the darkness in its might. In the depths of the night where shadows dance, underneath the moon's haunting trance, a gateway emerges mysterious and dark. Darkness of my room, I sit alone, tears falling heavy, my heart turning stone. Thought we had a love like no other before, but now it's gone, shattered on the floor. Every note